Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to import videos and TV shows onto your iPhone or iPad using Windows PC. If you have a Windows PC, you'll need to go to Microsoft Store, then search for two apps. The first one is going to be Apple devices, so search for Apple devices and install this one app. When it installs or starts installing, you can go back to the main page and search for Apple TV. Then also get this app, and when you get it, click on open. First we're gonna import the video into Apple TV library, and then we're gonna sync it to the iPhone. So in Apple TV, go to library, recently added, then go to your file explorer on your Windows PC and find the video you want to import. I'm gonna choose this one and drag it over here. You can see it imports like that. I can click on these three dots and click on properties to change the data about that video, and then click on OK. And now when I want to sync it to my iPhone or iPad, I need to go to Apple devices on my computer, then connect an Apple device, and if it asks me to enter a password, then I need to enter it on my iPhone, and then I can go to movies, sync movies onto iPhone, and then you can either choose to automatically include all movies or select which movies to include. I'm gonna choose only this one and click on apply. Now it will sync, and now it is synced. So when I go into my library on Apple TV in the iPhone, when I go to download it, I can see the video and I can play it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.